All right, quiet on the set.
Hi everybody, Robert Jones for InstallerParts. Today we are talking about war clubs. No, I'm just joking. These are InstallerParts soundbar brackets. They go on your TV to hold speakers in lots of different directions. These brackets can be installed to your television in various different configurations depending on what you need. Be sure to check the box and the instructions for the various configurations. These are rated up to 33 pounds or 15 kilos. Be sure to check the back of the box or the instructions for various configurations that might be right for you. These are rated up to 33 pounds or 15 kilos. All right, let's get the installation started.
For this install, you will need a power drill, a 3/16 inch or 4.5 millimeter drill bit, a metric socket wrench, blue tape, a tape measure, a Phillips screwdriver medium or large, a flathead screwdriver medium or large, a pencil, a level, and a stud finder is very helpful. Once you have figured out what configuration is going to work best for your television and soundbar, start by adding the two small, dark, flat-sided screws into the slots on the soundbar. They should slide in and up or down, depending on your configuration, into the holes and into the mounting brackets. Secure each with the nuts that are provided. Do not tighten them down all the way yet, as you might need to do some minor adjustments before the final sinking. Note, should yours be different than the one we are installing here, follow the directions provided by the manufacturer. Next, connect the soundbar brackets to the back of your TV. In my case, I'm using them with TV mounting brackets as well. I'm placing the soundbar brackets between the TV mount bars and the television itself. When you are satisfied with the position of all the components, go ahead and tighten them down with the 4 screws and then the 2 nuts tightly.
All right, you guys, we've got the bracket screwed on the back, we've got it attached to the soundbar, and now we're just going to lift it and put it up on our rack. All right, we've got it up here. We're just going to screw down the back and we're good to go. All right, you guys, we've got the TV up, we've got it tightened down, we've got our cords managed, and you can see the speaker looks really great on the top of the TV. Now, we chose to do it on the top because we have this piece here at the bottom, but if you'd like, you can also have the speaker hanging from the bottom. There you go, speaker bar installed. I hope you enjoy watching Amazon videos. I'm Robert Jones for InstallerParts. Subscribe, more videos, dancing, video. Come on back and subscribe. This YouTube channel can only get better.